Did you know that a check engine light could signal anything from a loose gas cap to a serious engine failure? Ignoring it could cost you thousands. That is why having the best automotive code reader in your glove box is not just a smart move, it is a necessity. Whether you are a weekend DIYer or just want to avoid another trip to the mechanic, these powerful tools decode the mystery under your hood. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. Ancel AD410 Enhanced OBD II Scanner. Rounding out the list is the Ancel AD410, a well-balanced scanner that bridges basic functionality with enhanced diagnostic features. It is particularly favored by car owners who want a little more than just engine code reading, without stepping into professional mechanic territory. The AD410 is compatible with all OBD-II-compliant vehicles from 1996 onward and supports multiple protocols. It reads and clears engine codes, displays live data, and runs basic emission readiness checks. It also performs more advanced tests like oxygen sensor monitoring and evaporative emissions leak detection, features not often seen at this price. Number 4. Auto Professional OBD II Scanner. The Auto AL319 brings a more polished user experience to the world of affordable code readers. What makes this tool shine is its focus on ease of use, plug-and-play functionality, and solid feature set that even beginners can take advantage of. Unlike some complex scanners, the AL319 provides instant access to check engine data, live sensor readings, freeze-frame snapshots, and emission readiness. It helps you detect what triggered the check engine light and resets it when the issue is fixed. It also offers one-click readiness testing, which is incredibly useful before an emissions test. It supports multiple languages and works with most vehicles sold globally since 1996. This makes it a versatile option whether you are dealing with a domestic car or it's an international model. Another user-friendly touch is the colorful display and built-in speaker. Number 3. Motopower Car OBD II Scanner Code Reader. The Motopower is a standout choice for those seeking essential diagnostic capabilities in a compact, colorful, and budget-friendly package. Despite its bright yellow exterior, there is nothing flashy about its function. It simply works well. This device supports all 9 major OBD-II protocols and is compatible with vehicles made after 1996 in the United States and 2000 in Europe and Asia. That means it covers a wide variety of vehicles, including cars, light trucks, and sports utility vehicles. It reads and clears engine fault codes and provides real-time data, vehicle speed, engine load, coolant temperature, and other metrics in seconds. The 2.8-inch display is bright, easy to navigate, and features a white backlight for use in dim garages or during nighttime diagnostics. It even has a built-in data stream graph, which adds a visual element to your troubleshooting process. Though it cannot scan systems like anti-lock braking systems or airbags, it still covers the essentials most users need. Number 2. Ancel AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD II Scanner. The Ancel AD310 is one of the most popular code readers on the market, and for good reason. It delivers simplicity and performance at a price that is hard to beat. If you are someone who values a plug-and-play solution without needing extra apps or Bluetooth setups, this tool is a no-brainer. Its lightweight, compact design is surprisingly sturdy, thanks to a thick insulated cable and solid build. Even if you drop it in the garage or your driveway, it will continue working. The buttons are clearly labeled and the 2.4-inch screen provides all the data you need without squinting. One of its biggest strengths is compatibility. The AD310 supports all OBD-II protocols, including those used by older and newer vehicles, both domestic and international. It works well with vehicles made after 1996 in the United States, 2000 in Europe, and many Asian brands. So, you can keep using it across multiple vehicles in your household. Number 1. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD-II Scan Tool. The BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD-II Scan Tool earns its place as the top pick for one major reason. It transforms your smartphone into a professional-grade diagnostic tool. Designed for iPhone and Android users, this code reader is completely wireless and integrates with a well-built app that turns complex automotive data into plain English. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.